Hi folks, welcome to Peppy Learning. In this video, you're going to learn about Lambda expression, which is beginning. What is Lambda expression? Lambda is a concept introduced from Java 8. Lambda expression or Lambda is already available in many programming languages, but it is introduced from Java 8 to the Java world. In Java, we have four types. Those are class, interface, enumeration and annotation. Now, instead of creating new type called Lambda, Lambda expression relies on interface. We call it as a special type of interface called functional interface. Lambda avoids boilerplate code and functional interfaces are candidates for Lambda expressions. Let us see them programmatically. I have opened Eclipse workspace. Here I am using Eclipse Neon 2. I have a project called Java 8. Under this, I am going to create a new interface. I right click on the source folder, new interface. I would like to name this interface as discount, and I want this to be placed in a package called com.peppy.j8 for Java 8.lambdas. Now, discount interface is created in a desired package. Now, I would like to add a method for this, which is void discount calculation. As we are aware, if you mention or doesn't mention, by default, the methods in an interface is public abstract. Now I can say this interface is a functional interface. To use this interface, we need to have an implementation class. So I'm going to create a class called standard discount, which implements discount interface. So when you implement any of the interface, you have to provide body for the abstract method. So here I am providing a body. So for this one, what I say is integer discount amount equal to. So here I need to add a variable for the discount calculation, which is sales amount. So I have added sales amount here. So the same thing need to be added in the implementation. So here I provide sale amount. So here sale amount into 10 by 100. So the standard discount is 10%. Now I want to print this one, standard discount is discount amount. So this is how you can implement any of the abstract methods of an interface with the help of class and use it. So let me make a demo of this. I right click on the lambdas, new class. I name this class as lambdas demo, lambda demo. I choose public static void main, say finish. Now I would like to test this specific standard discount. For that reason, I had to create an object for standard discount, std disk, which is an object for this, new standard discount, and I can call standard discount dot. You can see here discount calculation, and I would like to pass 200 here. When I save this and execute this program, right click, run as Java application. Now you can see the output as standard discount. Now let's say you don't want to create a class. When you create a class, this can be used in multiple places anytime. Now instead of that, I want to have the implementation in only one place. This can be achieved by anonymous class. So for that reason, what I can do is I can go and call discount EMP discount, for example, employee discount can be used only in one place, equal to new discount. This syntax is a little weird because you don't want to have a class like standard discount which implements a discount class, but you want to use it only once. For this reason, what we can do is we can have a implementation here itself. This is called anonymous class. This doesn't have any name. So what I can do here is I want to bring the same content whichever is there in the discount calculation. This time the discount is 15% for the employees. I change it as 15% and I mention it as employee discount. Now to access this, I can call like this EMP discount, which is a reference for this class dot discount calculation. This time I'm passing the same 200. When I execute this program, I save it and execute this program. Now you can see here employee discount is 30. Now this is standard way, standard implementation, and this is called anonymous class, and I would like to implement the same thing in Lambda expression. So for this time I'm going to create discount. This time I'm mentioning it as special discount. Here let us understand the syntax. Anytime when you are implementing Lambda expressions, the first thing is open braces, which is parameters, and separator and implementation. This is what the syntax you have to remember all the time. The first piece is parameters, second piece is separator, and third piece is implementation. So when I go for discount, it takes the input parameter as sale amount, which we can mention it as S amount just to avoid confusion, and in the body we can copy the body of the method which we have in the discount calculation, same thing which we can keep here, and this time the sale amount is not visible because it is from the other method. S amount we have used as sale amount. I keep it here as sale amount. I want to have a discount as 23%, so here instead of employee discount we can mention it as special discount, and now I can call special discount dot discount calculation, and I'm going to pass the same 200. This time special discount should be 46. When I run this program, you can see the output as standard discount is 20, which is 10%, employee discount is 30, which is 15%, and special discount is 46, which is 23%. Now all of these implementations are using the same method. One is using the class, which is a physical class which you have created. Another one we have created anonymous class, and the third one we have created Lambda expression. So you can say Lambda expression is a replacement for anonymous classes, but there should be one and only one abstract method inside that interface. Now if you see here, I'm not mentioning the discount calculation here because in the interface we got one and only one method, so you need not to mention the method name, and it takes one parameter. That's the reason we have passed one parameter, and the return type is void, so we are not returning anything but we are printing the value. So this is how Lambda expression works. Now using Lambda expression, no more boilerplate code, and functional interfaces are candidates for Lambda expression. Lambda expressions are used in functional programming. Lambda expressions are extensively used in Stream API of Java 8. Thanks for watching.